In this video, I'm going to be running you through all the current Guhring UK promotions. I'm here with Dave Hudson, the National Sales Manager. And Dave, there's quite a few promotions here.
Keep you busy for a while, that's for sure. Yeah, absolutely, Joe. We do like to try and keep things from there. The vast majority of the products still go through the distributor trade, and it gives them something to go out there and promote and sell. And it brings in the other areas for that particular tool. Sure.
So I guess start here and work along. What do we have?
Yeah, well, first and foremost, we have the good old tin tip drill, which is a good universal all-round type tool, available from other competitors over the years. We brought this into the range probably 3 or 4 years ago now, and it still grows and grows, and it's still one of our popular sets. Alongside from that then, in fact both these two are actually the same, just from different sizes, but we brought a range called the Aero X drill, which was a cobalt drill designed for applications handheld, but also on CNC machines where you couldn't really use carbide and whatever. So we brought this drill in and we put it in a set, and it works superbly for handheld applications as well, which is good. Then we come into the milling side of it from there, and we've recently put together a milling promotion which covers the majority of areas that most people will be running on a CNC machine predominantly. We've first got the aluminium geometry style, which works well, excellent from that then. It's a starter kit that goes through, many other sizes are available. We then, on the back of these two here actually, this is the uneven spiral milling cutter, the original one from the SL range.
So performance tools as well?
Absolutely. I mean, semi-performance, I would say. If you've got somebody there, we've sold numerous amounts of those where people will just put them onto a small machine, as would be, and it works away along from those, and can be used as a production tool, but also as a small batch work kind of thing. We've introduced a small range of the speed as well. That's the older 4-flute speed, but the basic benefits of it are still with recently the 5 and the 7 speed as it's moved on. We've put that into that one, as would be. And within that 3 milling cutter set, we've also got the new Spirotech chamfering milling cutter. And the geometry within that is pretty unique to ourselves in respect that you get a superb surface finish, and you've very high production rates, and as would be, and that's again a very good seller to us. And in front of that, you will see, unusual for Guhring to see an inserted milling cutter, and it's from our partners over in Germany, from Hohlfelder, which is a Guhring owned company out there, and they're now starting to do standard inserted milling cutters and the likes. So we're bringing a small range of that. So we have a promotion to kick it off for the next 6 months, where a 50 or 63 mil face mill together with a pack of inserts is £250. And then we've got, to finally finish off with that, we've got 3 different countersink sets. We've got the good old-fashioned tin coated one, which still very much has a purpose, as would be, and then the latest ones are the Spirotech countersink, which is much better surface finish for countersinking applications, and is also, you've got a much rounder hole as would be as well, or rounder chamfer as would be from there. So all in all, there's quite an array, and all available through the Guhring website.
Yeah, so you've got something for everyone here. So you've just mentioned a website. Is that the only place you can buy them?
Yeah, you can get them through the website. Secondly, you can buy it through your local distributor. He can supply them from there. If you choose to buy it from there, you can buy it online, and you can buy it with a credit card if you require. But the vast majority would go on through the distributor trade.
There you are. Thanks, Dave. Plenty to go at. So if you fancy yourself a deal, why not go and visit the Guhring UK website? And thank you for watching.